Great. Now let's review some of the problems that might happen during converting the part to a sheet metal, especially when we have the loft feature in the part generation. I will show how and where the problem is happening. Let's opening this loft here. I'm showing from the top, and from the top view we see this line. If this line that shows how much the object during the loft is twisted is exceeding some threshold, for example, it twisted that much or even this much, then this will cause problems once we want to convert it to the sheet metal. I'm just doing this, and you will see right away the problems happen. The first problem is popping up in the rip command. You see that the feature rip is not correct anymore, and we face the problem here. And this might happen if we are not controlling the twisting angle, correctly within certain levels. Let's correct it again and set it back again to the almost horizontal position. Now I'm just bringing it back to the position. Let's click it, and you see all set again here. Now we have rip back here and other parameters, all of them are correct. So this is one of the problems and issues that might happen if we are not taking this loft twisting problem into consideration. Great.